Welcome to another Seymour Smokies Insider Edition. I'm Frank Murphy.
And I'm Kathryn Frady.
Here we are again in beautiful Pigeon Forge, and this time I think we're going to get a sugar rush of some kind.
Absolutely. We're going to be here at Crave Golf.
Yes, and Crave is a miniature golf course. It's not like the only one in town. Of course, there's plenty of them, but this one is all candy themed. So there's giant candy canes and ice cream cones and magical things.
Candy.
Actual candy.
Actual candy that you can fill, I think, with bags of.
Yeah, you can buy
it
in bulk or buy it off the shelf. So it's a candy store, it's a golf course, it's an escape room, it's a mini bowling.
Yep, bowling.
All the things.
All the things. But I'm also excited about all that candy.
Yeah, what's your favorite candy?
I mean, my favorite candy, I love peanut M&Ms.
Yes.
I think they have some peanut M&Ms in there.
Well, technically they have protein.
Exactly, you can eat them for breakfast.
There's 2 golf courses here at Crave, and we're going to start with the indoor one because we don't want to get all sweaty yet.
It's hot.
Another beautiful hot day in Pigeon Forge, and I guess our first decision is going to be to try to find number 1 on the mini golf. You got your putter. Actually, you got my putter too, don't you?
Got your putter, got the balls, I got the scorecard.
What color did you pick?
I ended up getting purple.
You know, we're very Mardi Gras.
Yes,
If you think about it. I can hear people yelling with excitement, so something must have just happened. I mean, but look at it. It's all candy and ice cream themed. So here we go.
Gummy bears.
Time for Crave mini golf.
Woo!
All right, Kathryn, the Rocket Brothers are going to be part of the hazards, I think.
Great.
We just,
Perfect.
not like the Dukes of Hazzard,
Yeah,
but like
so don't hit them.
Right, on a golf course, you know, you have water hazards and you have...
You get penalties?
Bunkers, yes. You definitely lose a stroke.
Okay.
So here we go. Let's do the spin.
Spin the wheel.
We're going to spin the wheel to see what Kathryn has to do. So...
Uh-oh. Take your first putt on one knee.
Oh, my.
All right.
That's what you're on Kathryn though.
Just on one knee? I don't know if I can...
Oh, I got spin around 5 times before putting, so...
Perfect. Okay, here's on one knee.
knee.
Just on one.
Oh, man.
Look at that. Oh.
Nice bank shot.
You know?
Okay.
All right, you're going to have to spin
now,
5 times.
Watch out, everybody. I guess I better put the ball down first. Give me a little room.
This is with the...
Could you help me count to 5, please?
We use
Here we
the
go.
spin zone.
1,
2,
3.
3. Keep going. 4. One more.
6.
one more.
7. Where's my... Where do I...
It's right here. There you go.
This is in lieu of taking moonshine shots. They just have you... Oh, goodness.
Nice. You know, well, I think that the Crave Style is pretty good.
Yeah.
Have some fun.
Okay. Well, let's go ahead. I mean, we each got 1 right now for your little scorecard. Let's see
All right.
if you can finish up.
What was par on this? 10? Oh, look at you.
Thank you. Thank
With
you.
the spins and everything. Come on now. Oh.
Yay. All
Yes.
right.
I think
Well
4
done.
is my lucky number.
Yeah, we're out of time. We've run out of.
Get in.
We've totally run out of time for this hole. Thank you. Not only is all of the mini golf at Crave candy and ice cream and sweets themed, look at this actual artwork.
I know, it's amazing. And this one, I'm standing next to our favorite Dolly Parton. She's made out of jelly beans.
And I think poor Elvis, the king of rock and roll, has gotten the raw end of the deal. His portrait is made out of chewed bubble gum.
But you can't even tell it's chewed bubble gum. The artist did an amazing job. Looks fantastic.
But what would Jelly Bean Dolly sound like?
And I will always love you.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Yeah. Oh, give me a cheeseburger. Yeah. Not only is there golf and bowling and escape rooms. They have escape rooms.
They have escape rooms. They have a zombie one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Those get booked up. So, and also I didn't want to take the kids in the zombie escape room because they'll never come out. I said, no, kids, you're allowed to leave. No, we're staying, Grandpa. We like
become
zombies. They love zombies.
You could have nerds.
Is that you? Are you one of the nerds?
Oh, I love the nerds growing up. The nerds, but also, what is this? Gobstoppers.
Oh, now I see Mike and Ike, which is okay, but I'm a Good and Plenty fan, and I think maybe around here somewhere they might actually have licorice Good and Plenty.
Oh.
Which we used to shake the box and pretend it was a train. That was the ads to get us to eat more of it. And then when it's,
Yeah.
But I also noticed, of course, Pop Rocks. Now, do you have any stories on any memories of Pop Rocks at all?
I mean, don't they like burst in your mouth?
Yeah, they're carbonated, so it's like soda that has been turned into a candy. But once you start letting it dissolve in your mouth, it starts setting off these fireworks. And there was this urban myth, it was false, of course, that the kid from the Life cereal commercial had died from eating Pop Rocks and soda, I think Coca-Cola maybe together. And the funny thing is, this rumor would go around the whole country, but in my neighborhood, we knew it was false because the kid from the commercial lived in our neighborhood. We'd see him at school. He was on my paper route. I delivered the newspaper to his parents.
Well, that's good.
The whole family, they're all brothers. Yeah.
It's good that he was still alive.
I even like some of the simplest candy you could ever get. It's just rock candy. Now you can even make it. I think one time I tried to make my own rock candy.
Did you?
Yeah, you take sugar water and a string, and you just let it crystallize on the string. And now outdoors on the Rooftop Course, and it occurred to me what I thought was the storm rolling in might be the go-kart place next door.
I think you're right about that. There's a moat.
All right, Kathryn, Frady.
You know?
Oh yeah.
Test it. Yeah.
Testing the wind like Babe Ruth, and you're about to hit a home run. Okay.
Yes,
so now you get it in there, and it comes popping out.
Yep. What?
Hole in one.
Hole in one. I did
Hole
it.
Hole in one. Kathryn, they told us there's something brand new at Crave, and here we are at the back of the building. Obviously, it's very quiet back here, and you can see the painter's scaffolding. It says back here, Curtis Glover Creative, has been back here painting a candy mural, but it's the wings. That's the current thing.
It's the butterfly wings. I love it. There's a ring pop in there too, which is fantastic.
Yeah.
You got the candy canes. You got Oreos and
nice.
all sorts of delicious
Anything that you love.
treats.
Now, don't touch it because actually, although the artwork is finished, it still needs to be sealed. So, but they said we could come back here.
But it's brand new.
Yeah, seriously. So we're like the first ones to put this on a YouTube Smokies show. So this is truly Seymour Smokies Insider Edition. We're here ahead of time. So go ahead. I'll get a nice shot. Let me get a nice picture
Gotta be my butterfly.
See how this looks. Okay, go ahead and flap around a little bit.
Flapping around in the wild blue yonder. Flying through the candy canes. Kit Kats. I really want to wear that ring pop. I think that's fabulous.
It says here if you want to hashtag it.
Crave Golf Wings.
Fantastic. And if you want to follow the artist,
it's at Curtis Glover Creative.
I assume being a kid you would enjoy some candy, right? Okay. So what we'll do is let's get you a bag. I feel like he's picking the most basic Halloween candy.
Well,
Instead of all
candy is delicious.
Yes.
So, but I mean, he might want a pizza.
Yes.
A gummy pizza.
Get some of the stuff I like. Oh, I guess that's the difference, He's not going to pick anything I like.
Well, he's getting the candy corn. You mentioned that.
So he's in full Halloween mode. He's in Smarties and candy corn.
Yeah, maybe he'll get you some Good and Plenty.
Oh.
Gummy bears.
I'd like some old person candy. Anyone? No.
Got some.
I let the kids pick. You and I could have used the bags. I gave it to the...
You know what? We should have had the bags. It's true.
Get some of these for your old grandpa. He doesn't even know what they are. Seriously. You have no idea.
Those look like
These are just for me. I'm going to give a few of these for myself. Turn this way, will you? I want to make sure I get them in the bag. I'm not going to spill anything.
There you go.
Thank you. He's making a gross face. No, they're for me. I will eat them.
You don't have to have them.
He's going to be mad because I made everything so that the bag smell like licorice. What do you want? We can now force him to get something for you.
Let's see.
Banana head?
I do love those. Those are, yes.
Silly bananas?
These are from like, what are they called? Yes.
They're from the Nerds collection, aren't they?
The Runts.
Okay,
Yeah.
do they have Nerds for you out here?
They don't have the Nerds, but I like the banana heads. That's a good idea.
All right, well here, scoop a little banana heads into Artie's bag.
Artie. I'm sorry, Artie.
Gummy beer. I've got red gummy bears. We've got multicolored gummy
Artie. While you're not looking, I'm gonna sneak some. Well, Frank, that was so much fun. I really enjoyed having to stand on one leg to putt.
I wonder if you should eat the candy before or after. We decided to save it for the end as a treat, also as a way to bribe the boys to be good. But yeah,
But you could show up here early and have breakfast. They have those boxes, just pour a bowl of
play golf on a sugar rush.
Yeah.
Yes, exactly right. That's very funny. Well, Crave Mini Golf is right here in the heart of Pigeon Forge on the Parkway, and you can find the address and the website at the bottom of your screen if you want to come check it out yourself. We had a blast playing the indoor and the outdoor and checking out the mural.
And the bowling. Mm-hmm. And they also have those escape rooms that we didn't try, but...
Right, those get booked up in advance. They have a zombie-themed escape room. So that would be a great rainy day tip if you happen to be... And granted, this Great Smoky Mountains, by the way, is technically a temperate rainforest. So when you come visit, it's probably going to rain at some point. So have some indoor activities in mind, such as Crave's indoor escape room bowling.
And indoor golf. And
when it's beautiful and sunny, you hop up on the roof, and or you can do both, whichever you want to do.
Yeah, it's
All
a great
right.
time.
Thanks to Josh Mayberry for the hospitality and getting us set up, and thanks to the Rocket Brothers for letting us film them having their adventures. But you know who I really want to thank the most, and you probably can figure this out.
Uh-oh.
Yeah. The other people.
Oh, yes.
Who we kept, the people right behind us trying to play through.
People.
Yeah, that family, whoever you are, wherever you're from.
Thank you.
Thank you for letting us take so remarkably long.
Yeah, I'm not very good. That's what he's trying to say.
I may not be very good at moving the camera quickly in a timely fashion. So that's all good. So again, if you watch the 6-minute version on SeymourSmokies.com, terrific. Thank you so much. We appreciate it for liking and sharing that. But if you want to see more of what we're talking about, more candy, more golfing, more murals, more
silliness,
bowling, more all of the above, check out the longer version of this very same video at KrishaandFrank.com. For Insider Edition of Seymour Smokies, I'm Frank Murphy.
I'm Kathryn Frady.
Talk to you next time.